What's up, guys? Today we are at Yosemite Mountain Sugar Pine Railroad, about 10 miles from the Yosemite National Park, and we are here for their first year doing the holiday railroad. It is going to be super fun. There's a bunch of lights and music. Let's go.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Anna.
Anna who?
Anna Partridge in a pear tree.
I should have seen that coming.
So guys, down here, they got like a gift store and they got a museum. So right now, I'll give you guys a little tour through the museum. Let's go. Here is the museum.
And the fifth.
We got the acorn over native necklace. Big room.
Then how fair. That's what horses have. Hey, they jumped down the wood. So poor. Nego. 1849. 1870. Oh, they're right. 18.
And then right here, they got like fool's gold mining kit, trilobites, pyrite, wood. So they got some of these little amethyst crystals. Those are really cool. Oh, then they got fool's gold and arrowheads. Got these little glasses, all these cool rocks, and then they got this right here. You can get your own bag of rocks. And down here they have Kids Depot. They got gold panning down here, Gold Rush gold panning. So they got this little area right here. So they got these Gold Rush city prices. Gold pan, 15 bucks.
$10 gold pan,
Yeah.
$9.95 plus
Tool
tax.
pouch and snuffer bottle was $12.95.
Look at all those gold panning.
Yeah, they got all the gold panning stuff back here.
Oh, look at this over here. Right here.
That's the solid gold railway pin.
So that nobody's allowed to touch.
Here is the Kids Depot.
Yep.
Oh, dang it, I was hoping you'd forget.
So right here, it's really hot chocolate. It's for free right here.
All aboard! This is beautiful!
Alright guys, so we're going through the ride. It's a little dark outside. I'm a little freaked out, but hopefully there's some more lights up ahead. Because there hasn't been that many, just that big row of lights, so hopefully.
That's not good.
One's coming.
whistle. Wait for the whistle.
Alright guys, so let's get out of the train. They have a cool Christmas tree right here. Have a few stuff over there that has a snow machine. So we're just gonna walk around. Got a big Christmas tree. Let's come over here. Yep. And we're back with the snow, just like Knott's Berry Farm. If you haven't seen that, check it. Alright, so just got out of the snow. Really cool place how they let you get off. So now we're just gonna make our destination back. And yeah.
Well, we still have a little bit more to see.
Yeah, a little bit.
Let's give them a little look at the train that we're riding on.
Yeah, let's do that.
Turn the camera around.
So yeah, let's explore this little place. Really fun. I like it. Alright, so now we're just gonna head back and pretty much I'll just tell you about it, the whole thing, and that'll wrap it up. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys at the end. Alright guys, so that was the holiday train. It's about $63. It runs till January 4th. This was really fun, and I'll see you guys in the next one.